Core system libraries failing because of the Win-core-winrt library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before starting the detailed Win-core-winrt library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Win-core-winrt library. Bridges Windows Runtime, WinRT, calls to the traditional Win32 environment, essential for modern apps to access sandbox features like notifications and camera privacy. Corruption results in class not registered errors when launching system integrated software. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. api-ms-win-core-winrt L110 is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Win-core-winrt library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dim/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Win-core-winrt library. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to Win-core-winrt library management. If you've regained access to Win-core-winrt library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.